Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. In this video, I'm going to show you how to unlink your Facebook account from your Call of Duty mobile game. So let's get started right away. Now, if you wish to unlink your Facebook account from Call of Duty mobile, open up your Facebook application first. If you haven't logged into your account already, proceed forward with your credentials. After logging in, tap on the menu icon at the top right corner and then scroll down and tap on Settings and Privacy. From this page, tap on Settings once again. And now, scroll down until you see the Your Activity section. Within this section, tap on Apps and Websites, and now you will see all of the apps and websites that are connected with your Facebook account. Click on the See More option if you don't see the Call of Duty mobile yet. Once you find the Call of Duty mobile game, go ahead and tap on it. And now you will see the Remove button. Go ahead and tap on the Remove button, and you will be asked whether you are sure that you want to remove your account from Call of Duty. Tap on the Remove button once again to confirm your decision, and now your account will be unlinked from the Call of Duty mobile game. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to unlink your Facebook account from Call of Duty mobile. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.